Now, the next dance we'd like to show you is the Jaqueline Cha Cha Cha. Now, we commence in shadow hold, that's both hands joined just above shoulder level. We're going to start with both on the left foot, 4 cross basics. Down, back, cha-cha-cha. Round, back, cha-cha-cha. Down, back, cha-cha-cha. Down, back, cha-cha-cha. To finish where we started, facing the line. Now we're going to cross over, gents, both and lady, still on the same foot, and cross, tap. Now the right foot, cross, tap. And we're going to walk down the room, 1, 2, 3, and kick. We walk backwards, back, kick, and 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, gentleman turning to face partner and adopting this loose hold. Now, if I just go through the dance once more from the beginning, both lady and gent dancing on the same foot until we come to the 8th bar where the gentleman is turning in and adopting the loose ballroom hold. So we're both on the same foot and down, replace, cha-cha-cha. Right, replace, cha-cha-cha. Left, replace, cha-cha-cha. Right, replace, and cha-cha-cha. Left, tap. Right, tap. Walk, 2, 3, kick right. Back, kick left. Back, kick right. Now in this bar, the 8th bar, the lady just does 4 steps. Right, left, left. While the boy did his cha-cha chassis to this loose hold. Now from this hold, we have 4 shoulder to shoulders, where we step outside partner on the first step. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha. Now on her right side, repeat those 2 bars, outside on the left, outside on the right, and end with right hand joins to lady's left. We're going to do 2 hand-to-hands, where we step back, replace, cha-cha to face and change hands, left to lady's right, and back, replace, and cha-cha-cha to finish facing partner. And so we'll show you those bit again, from the shoulder to shoulders and the hand to hands. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha. Check, replaced, right to left. Back, replace, and change your hand. Back, replace, and change your hand. Now the last 2 bars, I'll show the gentleman's first. I'm just going to do circular walks with my cha-cha action. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha to face the line of dance. Now the lady, however, will dance something a little different. So Sue is going to show you hers. She's going to do, turning to the right, her walks with her cha-cha action. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. But for her 16th bar, she just has 4 steps and 1, 2, 3, 4. And there she is in our commencing position. So we'll just show you the last 4 bars from this double hold. We release the hold and walk round. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha for the boy. And 1, 2, 3 for the lady, and we adopt this double hold, both hands joined above the shoulder level. Now we'd like to just go right the way through for you once. Remember, we're both commencing on the left foot. Check, replace, cha-cha-cha. Now we've got our cross taps twice. Left tap, right. Now our walks with the kick. The back lift, 1 boy cha-chas. The shoulder to shoulder, 4 times. Now our 2 hand to hands. The circular walks, finishing in shadow hold.